versus lies, viewers. Let me begin with my position. The Prime Minister has put out the facts. I challenge anyone to prove that the Prime Minister lied. Shall we begin the debate?
Yes.
I challenge anyone to prove the Prime Minister put out a lie. The Prime Minister has put out the facts. And my first question today, I am going by the words of the Prime Minister. Please come into the debate, Sudhanshu Trivedi, with Pankaj Sharma, who is a senior journalist who supports the Congress. Point number one of what the Prime Minister said, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Prime Minister said, Swaminathan Commission's report came out, but they did not act on the recommendations of the report for 8 years. Farmers used to protest and demonstrate, but they did not budge. Viewers, this is an absolute fact. I challenge Pankaj or anyone to prove that it is a lie. I challenge Pankaj or anyone to prove it's a lie. Pankaj, your turn, please. We are going to smash your lies tonight. Prime Minister said Swaminathan report came out, but they did not act on the recommendations of the report for over 8 years. Farmers used to protest and demonstrate, but they did not budge.
But then Swaminathan, Mr. Swaminathan submitted 5 reports between 2004 and 2006. What happened to them after 2014? And even now, what about its recommendation on land reforms? Where is the distribution of ceiling surplus land?
What an amusing logic you are giving, sir.
Laws, if these three farm laws have
right
been
on top of the debate, you lose the debate.
Because of Swaminathan Commission report.
Right on top of the debate, you lose the debate.
What about report and done nothing? One more fact, sir. When the Farmer Commission was formed, when Farmer Commission was installed during the Vajpayee government, the report came in UPA 1. So we have initiated and Modi government executed. And those who have done nothing for 1 decade, and the UPA 1 was with the Lal Jhanda wala, communist. And now they both have become the champions of the farmers' cause. How infactual, illogical, ridiculous for the cause of the farmers. And one more thing, the only state in which the left is ruling, Kerala is having no APMC.
These three farm.
अरे भैया APMC को केरल में डंडा और दिल्ली में APMC के लिए झंडा.
In the light of Swaminathan Commission report. Then I
Great. खुलकर debate हो, let there be an open debate.
First, you should say that the Congress is having no authority to raise the issue of Swaminathan Commission report. Then I will reply. You condemn them for not doing anything for 8 years. Then we should have a discussion.
No, but now we are discussing these three farmers laws, these 3 bills on the farmers' issues. Why do you discuss Swaminathan Commission report? And if you want to discuss Swaminathan Commission,
it is our government which has done. Whatever you are saying, Pankaj, whatever you are saying is having a proverb in Urdu कि मुजरिम ही मुंसिफ हो गया. जो मुजरिम थे 8 साल तक न करने के, वो आज मुंसिफ बन के बैठ गए. हमारे जो बनाई भी हमी ने बनाया और हमी ने लागू किया.
It is our national duty to expose all the lies. जितने झूठ हैं, it is our national duty, हमारा कर्तव्य है. सारे झूठों का पर्दाफाश होगा आज मेरे प्रोग्राम पर. GVR, don't shout. GVR, don't shout. GVR is shouting with Sohail. 1 minute. 1 minute. GVR. Okay. 1 second. Can I have 2 versus 2? Can I have more people on the screen? Thank you very much. My point is simple.
The first agricultural policy.
GVR, 1 minute. I now go to the second lie. Allow me, Sohail. I have decided today I will destroy their lies. The second lie is the Prime Minister is not reaching out. Now Sohail will be on the debate here. The Prime Minister says today, अभी 25 दिसंबर को श्रद्धेय अटल जी की जन्म जयंती पर एक बार फिर मैं इस विषय पर और विस्तार से बात करूंगा. So he has guaranteed that he will address the farmers again. It is quite clear to me, 3 times in 3 days he is speaking. This is the highest direct outreach from the highest level of government machinery to ensure that farmers are aware about the truth on the farm laws. So you are all liars, GVR. The Prime Minister has reached out. The outreach is there.
Mr.
This is your second lie.
Mr. Goswami, let me tell you.
Rajan Roach, this is your second lie.
The Prime Minister is
Now, after
coming
you
and
speak,
talking on television. No, 1 minute. Let me tell you. The Prime Minister is coming out and being a salesman
Where
for
should
the
he speak?
corporates. Let me tell you. The Prime Minister is
You want
there
him to call you
sell-
personally?
To sell the farmer to the corporates. And that's the reason why he wants to come out. That's why he wants to come out and talks about it.
तो तीसरा झूठ है. हर झूठ का पर्दाफाश होगा आज. भूपेंद्र रावत जी, प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि एमएसपी बढ़ी है. यह भी सच है. और अगर आप कहेंगे कि नहीं बढ़ी है तो वो बिल्कुल झूठ है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेज आवर गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट ओनली इंक्रीज्ड द एमएसपी but has also purchased a large amount from the farmers on MSP. It is the biggest advantage that more money has reached the farmers' account than before. तो हर किसान के अकाउंट में पहले से ज्यादा पैसा गया है, एमएसपी बढ़ी है. यह सच है. जो भी इसके खिलाफ कुछ कहता है वो झूठ फैला रहा है. आप मुझे बताइए भूपेंद्र यादव रावत जी, प्रधानमंत्री ने जो कहा वो सच है, तो झूठ क्यों फैलाया जा रहा है किसानों को भड़काने के लिए?
अर्नब जी, मैं जो सवाल आप कर रहे हैं, 14 अप्रैल 2016 को हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री एक योजना अनाउंस करते हैं बाबा साहेब के जन्मदिन के अवसर पर, ई-नाम योजना, और कहते हैं कि मंडी, आड़ती और उपभोक्ताओं के लिए इससे बेहतर और कोई व्यवस्था हो नहीं सकती है. 2016 में तब चुनाव थे पश्चिम बंगाल के, असम के, तमिलनाडु के, पांडिचेरी के, और 2020 में प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं ये मंडी व्यवस्था बेकार है, आड़ती डकैत होते हैं. मैं दूसरा सवाल करता हूं आपसे, हमारे देश में नोटबंदी होती है तो लोग नहीं, कतार में लोग मरते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं लोगों को गुमराह कर दिया गया है.
यू प्रूव टू मी दैट द एग्रीमेंट इज फॉर द लैंड. आप प्रूव कीजिए जमीन के लिए एग्रीमेंट होती है. बताइए मुझे, झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप?
नहीं,
आप प्रूव कीजिए कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग की जो एग्रीमेंट है वो प्रोड्यूस के लिए, जमीन के लिए. आप झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
सुनिए,
आप झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
अच्छा,
नहीं, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, आई वांट टू ओपन डिबेट. सुधांशु,
आप जी, सुधांशु,
देखिए आपने जो बात कही,
नहीं, मैं
एक तो आपका
तीन
पूरा
सवाल
टोन
करता हूं,
एंड
एक
टेनर
सवाल है
वाज
मेरा.
पॉलिटिकल. स्टिल
जी.
विद ड्यू ह्यूमिलिटी आई वुड लाइक टू रिस्पॉन्ड. सर, मंडी व्यवस्था एपीएमसी खत्म है तो सर केरल में एपीएमसी है, द स्टेट विच राहुल गांधी रिप्रेजेंट. If it is not, then first go and initiate the APMC Act, then come and rise the jhanda in Delhi.
see, the thing is this, that in this country the problem is a lie repeated 1,000 times, no, sometimes a lie repeated 10 times becomes the
Absolutely.
truth. I won't allow that.